What's that, Vanoss plushie? Do you know what's going on? Oh, I'll tell you. It's viewership time with a good old Vanoss Mystery Box. Thank you, Santa Vanoss.
I'm dreaming you're just high. You're running a hits to ride just to be with you. 'Cause it's all for you.
Well, like in the beginning of the intro, time for another mystery box. Now, I believe this is up to 175. I could be wrong. I believe it said like up to $175 in merchandise, so I could be wrong here. But we'll see. Now, I should say this. Everything here is random. You probably will get the same items from me as a coincidence, but everything here is random, so you have no clue what you might get. Just want to make that clear. Let's see what's in here. Oh my word, it's a box! Well, it was a short video while it lasted. Thank you, Vanoss, for the box, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, see ya.
I don't wanna want you. I don't wanna want you.
I'm just kidding. But hey, the question mark is different from last year's. Well, 2 years ago. Now this is the mystery box from last year. The sticker here is yellow. Oh shoot! I forgot I had stuff in here. Oops. I believe the box sizes are the same. Yeah, they are. They're the same size. This is for 2019, 2021. Okay, I gotta put this back before it falls. Alright, now let's get serious. Onto the video. I'm afraid I'm gonna cut myself. Alright, after almost cutting myself, literally, the box is now open. Let's see what we got here. Oh, jeez. Okay. Now, number one, it's a... They gave me a bandana. I think it's an insignia bandana. I think that's what it's called. Anyways, there's a bunch of stuff here. Hopefully you guys can see it and read it. I think I have this, no? Oh no, I don't. It's a different bandana. Alright, this is my third bandana I have, even though I don't wear bandanas. That's cool. A Vanoss logo. I think this is a snapback. Snapback? Oh no, I believe this is supposed to be a dad hat. Yeah, this is supposed to be like a dad hat, even though dad hats are usually curved at the bottom. So, I'll have to fix this for my head. Hey, and this is kind of okay. Actually, it's not good. Okay, it's kind of... Yeah, I'm just gonna wear it. Alright. Let's see here. What is this? Oh, it's upside down. It's a Vanoss logo. Oh, it's a Vanoss logo of Hubada. I see the words Hubada. I believe these were supposed to be all of his phrases in his videos, but all I see is Hubada of off season. I see off season. Kinda hard to tell. Pro something. But yeah, this is supposed to be a shirt of all his sayings from the videos. That's kind of cool. Right. Let's see the next one. Oh shoot, I have my hat next to it. Now this one, soft serve. Is this his figure? No way, this is his figure. Yes, I just used my teeth to open that. That's so cool. This is his figure. I mean, sure, it's not U2's or anything like that, but look at that. That's so cool. Now I don't have to buy one. That is awesome. I always wanted one. I mean, it may not be a U2's or anything like that. That was also cool. But hey, a realistic Vanoss figure, this is a keep. That is awesome. Thank you, 3 Black Dot. That is cool. Alright. Next one. Oh, it's Vanoss X Wildcat. See the Vanoss Wildcat? And on the back it's the logo. Vanoss Cat logo. What's a good name? Van Cat? Wildnoss. I don't know. But this is pretty cool from the Extreme Boats. Let's see. From the Stream Boats. And on here, Stream Boats. That is awesome. Oh, I believe they don't sell that collection anymore. I almost dropped the box. Alright. Next one here is another shirt. Oh, 3 shirts in one box. Wow, that's a pretty cool one. This one says a Vanoss Limited 2020, and I believe this was a sticker. I could be wrong. I forgot if this was like in a collection or something in general, or a sticker. I'm pretty sure it was a sticker. I could be wrong. I think that might have been for the 2020 Black Friday. Again, I could be wrong. And the last item, yes, very last item, one hoodie, and it is just says content. Yes, that's it. There's nothing else. There's nothing else in the box. That's the last bit. A good old hoodie that just says content. I never understood why. But hey, it is Vanoss, and he seems edgy these days, so it's fine. So, in recap, we got a hoodie that says content, a Vanoss Limited shirt, which probably was from a collection, I could be wrong, Stream Boats shirt, a Vanoss shirt, which has all of his phrases, but very well hidden. You can try to find some on your own again if you want to. I highly doubt you can. A dad hat or snapback. No, wait, no. It isn't a snapback because I don't think snapbacks have straps. A bandana of insignia. I might be saying that wrong. And a soft serve figure. This one is my favorite. Now, I know it said that it was going to come with a Wi-Fi speaker. It says in the description it won't be shipped out till like January 2022, so I won't have that here, so apologies. But hey, it's 3 Black Dot. They want to make sure everything is okay. Everything is a-okay before, you know, everything's shipped out.
Sense box.
But yeah, so far there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I got 7 items in my box. Now, is it worth $175? Probably. But it doesn't really matter. I enjoy what was in the box, and I hope you guys did too. If you guys did get your mystery boxes, maybe before this video is out or before I did, then cool. Let me know what you got. Well, that's up to you, really. Alright. Well, that's all for today. A very poorly made video of an unboxing. That's very typical. I did this for 3 times in a row. Can't wait to see you guys if I do this again next year, which I probably will. Alright. Goodbye, guys. Take care.